Isn't it fun when we can get together and cut things out and tape them or paste them? It feels like kindergarten once again. We are learning to name and balance chemical compounds. If we take a positive ion calcium and match it to a negative ion oxygen, we would call this what? We would say calcium oxide. We drop the oxygen a little bit off the end and add the IDE ending. This is a metal, this is a non-metal. Let's try another one, another metal and non-metal. What would you call this compound? Write the formula and name it over here on your piece of paper. Magnesium oxide. By the way, these elements are usually stuck with these oxidation numbers, +2, +2, and -2. There are some elements that have variable oxidation numbers, and those get a little bit more tricky. I'll show you how to do that in a minute.